I tried to wheelie, but the gravel's so loose, all I did was spin. So basically, I started this video was going to mention a question. I'll slow down for this dude. He's got a little kid on there too. Or this dudette. It's a girl. But anyway, somebody, one of the viewers commented, and he mentioned to me, he said, so how many miles have you got on your CRF300L? Check this out. So I told him I'm going to have to tell him on the video here, 5,555. That's kind of wild. So 5,500, I can't even talk, 5,555 miles. And he said, and how many miles have you got, and how long will it last? How many miles will it go? Well, that's kind of subjective to, it depends. I mean, I actually don't have an idea how long the bike will last. I mean, it's all going to depend on, for one thing, how you take care of it. You servicing it correctly. I mean, even not just that. I mean, if you're taking care of it extremely good, you're going to last longer. You're one that goes beating. Basically, it's the motor, because you can change everything. All the bearings wear out, brakes wear out. You can fix all that. Brakes, you know, no big deal. But it's your engine. How long is the engine going to last? And that's just, I don't have a number. So I want you guys to comment, how many miles have you got on your CRF300L, or let's add in the Honda CRF250L also, because pretty much the same difference. And you guys with the CRF250Ls, you're going to have a lot more miles on some of the older 250Ls than a lot of us do on these CRF300L. So how many miles have you got on your bike, 250L, CRF300L? And how many miles do you think it will last? What's the most you've seen on one? How many miles will it last? Like I said, I don't have no idea what to say. I mean, I don't know. My first 250L only had 17,000 on it when I sold it. Got the Africa Twin. I didn't have that many miles on my second 250L. Of course, now I've only got 5,556 on this one. So it would be interesting to see how many miles you guys have got already. I guarantee you there's going to be a lot of you guys got a lot more than I do. So I don't know. I mean, are you talking, I know it'd last more than 50,000 miles, 60,000. I would say 100,000 miles up. And I don't see why there would even be an end, actually, because as long as you take care of it. Now, we're probably talking here, we should say, without a rebuild. How long will it last without a rebuild? You know, there's got to be a limit, because, I mean, you can rebuild the bike forever, pretty much. You can, even if you blowed a cylinder, you can replace the whole cylinder and crank, whatever. So let's talk about how long do you think it'll last without a rebuild? You know, without changing the piston and rings and stuff, rebuilding the motor. I think it'd be a long time. I think it'd be well over 100,000 miles. As long as you just take care of the bike and maintain it properly, it's going to last you a long, long time. Yeah, I'd like to bring up some of the real good comments. Somebody will put a comment on the video and they'll bring up a good one, and I think, well, this is one that I think that I should share with all of my viewers, you know, not just answer it myself. And I told him, I said, I'm going to make a video about it. So he'll see this video. He watches all my videos. So he'll see this one and he'll hopefully get an answer to kind of what people's got on their bikes and how long their bike is going to last, they think. But I appreciate all you people watching. So check out my links below. I got links to my Amazon store, of course. I do have links to this quad lock, which is one of my favorite things. Everything that I pretty much use is on my Amazon store or in the links below. And I don't make a dime off of the videos that I make from people. They don't pay me nothing on anything that I've reviewed. What I do is I put the stuff on the Amazon store, and I get a little bit of a percentage. It depends on what it is, how much the percentage is, but it ain't much. but it does help the channel out. It helps out with being able to make videos and buy cameras and whatever I need to do. And but I appreciate all of you. So you can go to my Amazon store, and even if you don't buy anything off mine, if you will save my Amazon link to your startup Amazon page, when you go to Amazon, when you click on Amazon, it goes to my page. Even if you don't buy anything from me, I will get a commission because you went to my link first and then you went and bought something. So I will actually get a little piece of it, and I appreciate it. And it don't cost you guys no more whatsoever. It don't raise the price at all. I mean, I just get a little portion of it. So if everybody could do that and just save that Amazon page as their, when they click on Amazon, that's the page that you come up to. Just save the link, and it's the same thing. It's just Amazon. Just has my stuff. Well, you still got the same search bar for Amazon, and I get a little commission on it to help me out. But check out all that stuff in the quad lock. I got the new video coming up for long of the quad lock mag cases and the mag mount. Now the mag mount is not for motorcycles, but it actually still will work. The quad lock mag case will work on this older style standard quad lock mount. But thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below if you like the video, and I'll catch you on the next video. Right on.